no clump is gone on my eye. My worst fear has come true. There's powder in my eye. Hi guys, it's Liz again. Today I'm going to be doing another little beauty hack for you guys. This is for all y'all who do not want to wear falsies but want to have your eyelashes looking bomb and you don't have time to use all the serums and oils people tell you to put on your eyelashes. What I'm doing today is the loose powder, got it right here, hack on your eyelashes before you put mascara on. So the loose powder that I have today is actually the banana powder from NYX. It broke, so I had to fix it in this little container because I travel a lot and it's easier to carry that around than like it wasn't that big, but it was pretty big powder palette thing. So let's get started. I'm using this spoolie that I have and just collecting some loose powder. I'm so scared I'm gonna get powder in my eyes. I'm gonna go blind. Okay, and now, because hashtag balling on a budget, we're gonna use Essence Plump No Clump. It's gone on my eye. My worst fear has come true. There's powder in my eye. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna be using the Essence Plump No Clump mascara. Okay, so this is the first mascara that I used. I double up on mascaras because, actually I triple up on mascaras because I'm just that queen. The second one is the Get Big Lashes, also from Essence. And I'm just gonna double up on that. Bonus hack, if your mascara feels like it's drying up and running out, boil some hot water, pour that in a cup, put the mascara tube in the cup of hot water, and it like loosens the mascara in the tube. Okay, so again, we're gonna go back. We're gonna put the powder on the spoolie. And now I'm just gonna do my regular mascara routine for my other eye. Start off with the Plump No Clump. Now I've learned the name from Essence again. And okay, now let's try the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara from Essence. Whoa! Okay, I was so pessimistic before I started this. I was gonna be like, there's no way this makes a difference. There's no way this works. Y'all, this eye looks so much thicker and fuller than the other one. It barely looks like I'm even wearing mascara here. But this one is like, hello. This just looks way fuller than this eye. But yeah, wow. I'm impressed. I like it. Just loose powder, that's it. I just used the loose banana powder, setting powder, that's it. I think this is a success. Comment down below if you think this is a success or fail. And also, if you guys try this hack out, let us know as well. We want to see what you thought about the hack for yourself. But yeah, I'm actually kind of happy with that. I'm shook. But yeah, okay. Anyway, that wraps up this little beauty hack, the loose powder before your mascara hack. I think it worked very well. I'm very happy with this. I will probably be using this trick every time I wear mascara, which is almost every single day. As usual, like, subscribe, comment. Follow our Twitters and Instagrams at Qweens Magazine. Everything is in the description box below. And always stay beautiful. Bye guys.